How to stop any particular application from running the background processes or running in background in Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can completely stop any application to run any background services. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of our Android device. Now once you're inside settings, you will need to scroll down and click on to the apps option. So simply find the apps and click on apps, and now from here you will need to find that particular application. To do that, you can go to app management. So click on app management, and from here find that particular application that you want to stop. So let me search for any application, for example let's say Facebook. So click onto Facebook, and then from here you will have this option that says force stop. Now you can simply click onto this force stop application, and it says if you force stop an app it may misbehave. To continue, you can click on force stop, and now Facebook cannot run any background services until and unless you restart it. So in order to undo all of this, simply open Facebook again and it will start all of its background processes again. So here was some quick tips. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.